welcome to the Vody
or
Sisters. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the
3-colored glue slime challenge.
The way how this works is,
So basically, one person will close their eyes, pick, and whatever we get, the colors we'll have to put in our slime, bro.
yeah, and instead of somebody just picking all three at the same time, we're going to have to do it a fair way because then we'll keep
The
on
other
picking back
person will just be left.
Exactly. And then, guys, I know we created a video today, but that was because we were so excited to do this. We had to do it today. And then this Saturday, she's going to be bossing me around. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell, like this video, including all our other ones along with.
Comment down below on more videos you would like us to do
In the future. Without further
ado.
ado,
Let's get started.
okay, so rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who's going to go ahead and pick
Best part after you just won.
best of. Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, 3 times. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, I get to choose if I want to go first or second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I would like to go last.
Okay.
Okay, turn around.
You want to go last?
Yeah,
so
go.
you turn around.
No, I'm shuffling for you.
No, you said you want to go
No.
last.
Oh, sorry, I want to go first. Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle them all off. Keys. Go. Pick. No, you're cheating. I have to redo it.
I'm not peeking.
Yeah, you are. Okay, go. Lala, you're still cheating.
No.
You're such a liar.
No peeking. Ow. Okay, I'm not peeking.
Okay, yeah, I'm redoing it.
No,
Okay.
I couldn't keep on
Peeking.
No peeking.
Yeah, she is. Stop, Alex. Ah! Okay, that's it.
The glue spilled.
Kidding. I said
Hurry
Why do you
up.
keep on-
Okay, ready?
Yes.
This one.
Okay, that's one. No, my turn to pick.
Alright.
Okay, coming around. I'm not cheating. I'm not closing my eyes.
Go.
This one. Purple! Okay, turn around.
I really hope I get orange and pink.
Okay, go. Go.
This one. Oh no.
Seriously? Ooh, you can make a mermaid.
Alright, only if I get blue.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Done? No!
Okay, fine.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready. Done?
Done. Okay.
Lala, you keep on cheating.
Alright, close your eyes. Done.
I'm a double check. Okay, okay, now you can.
Oh, now I have to remake.
Yeah, because you keep on.
Oh, stop.
Wait, okay, okay. Are you done? Are you done? Okay.
No. Now I'm done.
Did you do anything? If you did, I get to pick my color. Okay, I don't know. Just this one.
No.
Lala, you cheated! Lala,
I promise.
Done?
And done.
This one. Yes! Oh, yes! Okay, turn around.
I just really turn around.
Okay, go pick. What's in here?
This one feels like leaking.
Go!
This one.
Yes!
Yes, I'm making mermaid slime.
So I am making a nice, cool, like, what's the word for it?
Booty.
No! Okay, so Lala is going to put in her glues first.
Booger, little booger.
Is it even showing right? Okay, go.
Why is this leaking? Booger. Add all of it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a pretty.
That's pretty. That's pretty.
Woo! That's pretty nice.
it's gonna turn into a booger slime. But guys, I already have one of those.
So guys, I'm about to put in my 3 glues, and I'm gonna start off with the orange. Let's get the orange. It's not really orange, it's like a peachish. Okay. Oh, and guys, these tips are really good to get this all the glue out of this.
I gotta spit it out because I can't hide it.
Ooh, now this is just so pretty.
Very pretty.
So easy. Like, I want to get all the glue out of this because I want a pink. But, you know, it might
I
not.
want a turquoise.
Oh, yes. That is just beautiful.
But mine is beautifuler.
Lala, stop. Okay. Now it's time to mix.
Guys, that's beautiful.
Eh.
Come on, that's beautiful. It looks like blue and green are having a fight over which one gets to have me.
Okay, so guys, I'm about to mix my slime. I have orange and pink and purple in there. Like, okay.
They're probably distracted by my slime though.
No, they're not. That is pretty.
Mine is pretty.
Stop being so braggadocious.
Guys, I'm not actually braggadocious in real life, just in this video.
Yeah, you're actually it's guys.
I'm not.
Eh. What type of color is this?
That's pretty. It's kind of unicornish.
It's kind of
I know that it doesn't
kind of
look that way.
peachish, pinkish.
It probably doesn't look that way on the camera, but it's actually purplish, pinkish. But it probably looks peach on the camera.
Yeah. Wait. Come on, pink. Live with me. Trying to get out all the pink. I can do that. I can do that.
Put it in.
Okay. So guys, our slimes. Okay. Let's,
Now I'll put it back on here.
it's pretty nice. Oops. Okay, guys, our slimes will be activated in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so our slimes are activated. It is quite a mess up in here, but I'll show you guys my slime first. Hey, I'm not too upset with the color. It's a weird purplish, pinkish. You know, it's weird. Like, if only you guys could see it. Okay, so I know it might look like white or gray on the camera, but it is actually a pink. Yeah, let me see what happens if I do this. It's there it is. Wait, but this looks orange. Okay, but this is actually a nice little pink. And I don't know, it's just very relaxing. This time feels kind of like a better slime. Okay.
I'm not done.
Lala is gonna show her slime next.
Wait, I'm not done.
Okay guys, so here's my slime. It's very stretchy. I love the texture. You know what?
It's gonna make a round.
This isn't too bad.
Yeah, I see that round coming in.
Because it's a little stiff though. Like the smallest bit stiff. Okay, but anyway, here's the poke. Oh, no, I can't show you poke, but there we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope to see y'all. Oh, and if you guys can see the sense of blue, I put some paint in. So kind of weird.
Okay, guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.